Hi everyone, I'm gonna start showing my SQL codes for this week's assignment, and I have here the number one, then insert a client, and here we have, when we go here there's empty, when I refresh the page there's this first client. Then the second was to update the client level, and here we see level number 1, and when we refresh the page, number 3. Next we have the inventory part. So when we go here, we see the small interior, and when I run the code, we change the small to spacious, and when we refresh the page, we go back here and you can see the spacious. Going back to the requirements, here we have the new table that we need to get the IDs for the SUV cars. Then as you can see, 4 items, 4 cars in the list. The next one was deleting the Jeep from the inventory. So we can see here the Jeep in the inventory, and when we run this code and we refresh the page, the Jeep is gone. And the last one is to change the path for the images and the thumbnail here, adding PHP. So when we go here and we add it, we go back here, refresh the page, and as you can see there's PHP motors and PHP motors here in all of the images from this table. Then for the error page, here we have the page and the connections to run, and I'm gonna demonstrate it here. I put the link, and when we run the page, the connections, we go to the view and the server error runs here. So, and when we put it back, we have a blank screen. So this was my assignment for this week.